Hi there, my name is Jeff and I'm the CEO of Pitch59. By the end of this video, you should know what a resume pitch card is, how to create one, and then how to use it. So your resume pitch card contains your 59-second pitch where you get to tell employers who you are, what's unique and different about you, and why they might want to consider hiring you. It also contains things like your resume, so that employers can quickly look up your credentials and your background. It contains real video references, so all of your references will vouch for you in person up to 29 seconds long, and it's very easy to do that. I'll show you that in just a minute. It also contains all of your contact information, more info like your Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, or other profiles that you want to put on there. You can also put on other details and experience that you have in the more info section. You can add pictures of yourself, your family, your friends, your projects, your work, whatever you want to show off. But before I show you how to use a pitch card, let me show you how to create one real quick. To create your free resume pitch card, just go to your App Store or the Google Play Store and type in Pitch59, all one word. Once that pulls up, just go ahead and install that app. Once the app opens, go ahead and click the sign up button if you don't already have a Pitch59 account. Enable the push notifications so that you can know when people are trying to chat with you or trying to contact you. By enabling the location, you'll be able to see what other pitch cards are in your area. Once you're logged in, it'll just give you a couple of quick tutorials to know how to use pitch cards. You can swipe up to share them, you can swipe down to pocket pitch cards, and then you can also flip over pitch cards to chat with the person. Once you're logged into the app, go ahead and go to the home screen, and your free resume pitch card will be waiting for you. Once you tap on that, just go ahead and enter all of your information. So the last part of creating your free resume pitch card is your pitch. So just go ahead and agree to the Pitch59 rules and terms, and then click on the big button that says Record Test Pitch. Allow the phone to use your camera. Don't stress about recording your first test pitch. Everybody knows that it's going to be less than perfect. A couple of key things to remember when you're recording your pitch is, first of all, make sure that it fills up the entire screen horizontally. Also, we've got a couple of different options there for you. You can use the pitch topics or you can use a teleprompter to write out your pitch if you feel more comfortable doing it that way. We don't typically recommend reading your pitch as you record it. It comes off as more robotic, less personal. If you can, write out just general topics that you want to talk about and then record. Once you've got a pitch that you're comfortable with, go ahead and click the Finish button. Remember, you can redo your pitch whenever you want, and it's always up to date and live on your resume pitch card. Once your pitch card is approved, it'll show up on your home screen on your app every time you open it. Above your pitch card, you're going to have an edit icon. If you tap on that edit button, it allows you to edit all of your pitch card information whenever you want. So you can edit your phone number, your email, your address, your resume, your pictures, or even your pitch. Whenever you update anything on the app, it automatically updates across the entire platform, so you never have to worry about sending out your pitch card to the same person again. With your resume pitch card, remember, all you have to do to share your pitch card is just swipe up. You can text your pitch card, email it, send it on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or you've also got your own unique QR code for your resume pitch card. So you can put that QR code on your resumes. You can put it on any cover letters or applications that you've already made in paper or online. You can also copy your pitch card link and send it wherever you want. And anytime somebody opens that pitch card, they'll be able to get to know you with or without the Pitch59 app. Quick Share is one of my favorite features. It allows you to send your pitch card directly through the app with other app users without their phone number, email, or any other contact information. When someone receives your pitch card, they can simply swipe down on it and put it in one of their pockets to keep it for later contact or for sharing with other people. One of the other neat features about pitch cards is that you can simply flip over anybody's pitch card and chat with them right there on the back of their pitch card. So now you should know what a pitch card is, how to create one, and now how to use it. So a couple of things that you need to do with your resume pitch card are, one, share it with everybody. Share it with your family, your friends, ask them to post it on their Facebook and LinkedIn profiles. Any organization that they may know of that's hiring, go ahead and have them send your pitch card to them. You can also use your pitch card as your application business card. So you can swipe up on your pitch card with somebody if you're talking to them at the grocery store, or if you're in the mall, or if you're talking to a friend, simply swipe up on your resume pitch card and share it with anybody at any time, anywhere, regardless of whether or not they have the Pitch59 app or an account. It works on all different platforms. Employers are now able to also create job cards, which are job positions where they get to pitch you to come and work for them for 59 seconds. If you have your Resume PitchCard, all it takes to apply for any of these positions is a one-tap application process. You simply tap on the Apply Now button, and it'll send your Resume PitchCard to that company as your application. This is really beneficial for employers because they get to know who you are as a person, what's unique and different about you, before they even bring you in for an interview. It also allows you to stand out and be heard, rather than just being a piece of paper. We want everyone to have a free Resume PitchCard. Go onto your app store, download the Pitch59 app, create your free account, go to your home screen, and then finish setting up your Resume PitchCard. It only takes about 8 to 10 minutes to get your PitchCard created. However, we highly recommend that you get a video that you're comfortable with. You can upload a different video if you already have one, or you can just re-record your pitch as many times as you need with the teleprompter and the pitch topics right there on our app. We'll walk you through the process and help you to be comfortable with the pitch that you've created. So that's it. Go download the Pitch59 app, create your free Resume PitchCard, and then share it with everyone. I cannot wait to watch your pitch. Welcome to Pitch59.